take a look what got done at the shop here on this Monday. So Mike was working away. He finished off all the last video you saw. He had all the floor all cut out there. Got all that done. Can't even tell he put a patch in there, can you? Got all that done. Remember I was talking about the rust that was down here in the last video? See, cleaned all that up. So finish off that little bit. He'll be fitting the rocker on tomorrow, and then the cab corner, and away we go. That's what's happened right there. Now, the LS swap truck. We got the engine out of it. So there we go. Engine's out. Sitting over here. Neighbor's gonna come pick it up. We're just gonna send it off for scrap. I don't need any more engines laying around here, so it's out of here. So that's it. Tomorrow we'll be playing with this a bit more. Box is all together for the 72. Bolted together. Got all the raptoring done down below and the side panels. Sean's got the cab. It's all covered up right now, but he's got the cab finished off in 600, ready for paint. So tomorrow's the box. Can't really see it under here, but it's all finished. Tomorrow's the box, and Wednesday it goes to the booth. That's it. Sean's painting the underside of the hood here. Oh no, he's painting something else. We'll take a look here and see. Yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's painting some little brackets here. Some little brackets. And that's just the hood right there with the satin on it. So that's good. That's about it. Not much more to show you in there. Alright, I'll get out of his hair. Yeah, not too much to say. I go pick up the headers for this tomorrow. The headers apparently are done being ceramic coated, so we'll go pick those up tomorrow. Get those. What else is there? I got to bolt the box down here on Big Red. Now I got a little carried away. I don't know if you remember the last video, you might have seen it. I had left the rad support in it. Well, the inner fenders were right here, if you go back and look. Remember I had blasted all them and done them in satin black? I couldn't leave well enough alone. I pulled the rad support out, and it's down at the blasters getting blasted, and I'm going to do it in satin black. I just figured at least that way there, every body panel's been stripped down, cleaned up, and whoever buys this truck is going to get a good solid truck. So, that should be ready tomorrow, and I can satin black that. That's about all. There's old Bittersweet sitting here. Didn't drive her much this year. Didn't drive her that much. I had it out maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 times. Model A I had out a good 6 or 7 times, not that often either. It's going to be getting started on here pretty quick. Jobs are going. This is going to be going in the shop, and I'm going to be taking the flathead out and putting a little 1957 283 in there with the lake style header still. So that's going to go in with 4 carbs, 4 2 barrels. Putting that in there. There's some more parts and pieces back here for the LS. Gotta clean up and go through. Lots of goodies kicking around. Oh my god, it's been a while to go with cobwebs. Jesus. Anyway, that is what is happening today in the shop. It was a busy day. Sean was on that truck all day today. Sean puts in 10 hours a day. I was on that box, and I did the wheel tubs too. I texture sprayed them. I was on that box for a good 5 to 6 hours working on that. And yeah, there we go. So, and then this old girl, the 80, is going to be going down not this week, but next week. The 1980 Chev pickup is going next week down for paint. So, and then it comes home, a few bits to put on it, and it's out the door. So this truck is probably 2 to 3 weeks away from going. And that's that. So not a super busy day, but, well, it was a busy day, but sometimes it takes a while to get shit done. So, to all you guys out there watching, thanks for watching. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. The office is a mess. God, I gotta clean it up. And that's all I gotta say. Okay, guys, remember, always a good time at Old Time. And until we see you the next time, have a good day.